I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a PayPal payment gateway for your website. First, you'll need to set up a PayPal business account, which is essential for accepting payments. This account allows you to manage transactions and access various tools. You can then choose your integration method, either using simple PayPal buttons or a more advanced API solution. Be aware of the transaction fees, which are typically around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction for standard online payments. Setting up your PayPal business account is the first crucial step. Head over to the PayPal website and choose the business option to begin the sign-up process. You'll need to provide accurate business details, such as your legal name, address, and contact information. After that, link your bank account or a debit card. This is how you'll withdraw your earnings. Finally, complete the identity verification steps to ensure your account is secure and compliant with regulations. Now, let's talk about how to actually integrate PayPal into your website. For a quick and easy solution, you can use PayPal's standard buttons, which require minimal coding. If you want a more integrated and branded checkout experience, PayPal Checkout is an excellent choice. For developers seeking full customization, PayPal's robust APIs offer advanced control. Alternatively, many popular shopping cart platforms already have built-in PayPal support, simplifying the process significantly. Before launching your PayPal payment gateway, thorough testing is absolutely essential. Utilize PayPal's sandbox environment to simulate transactions without using real money. This allows you to verify all payment flows, including successful purchases, refunds, and cancellations. Double-check that your website's security measures are robust to protect customer data. Once everything is working perfectly, you can go live and start accepting payments, remembering to monitor your transactions regularly for any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.